Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the scooter. Turn off power, remove the battery or key, and put on gloves. Next, scan the frame, deck, wheels, and brakes for cracks, bent parts, or loose bolts. You want to spot obvious failures before digging deeper. While you inspect, test freewheel the wheels and squeeze the brake lever so you can hear or feel binding. Once done, assemble your tools, hex keys, wrench, multimeter, screwdriver, and lubricant, because you'll need them immediately for the first repairs. You now focus on electrical and drivetrain diagnosis. Start by measuring battery voltage and checking connector pins for corrosion or loose crimps. Low voltage or bad contacts cause intermittent faults. Then inspect the motor, belt or chain, and wheel bearings for wear, and use a multimeter to check throttle and hall sensor continuity so you can pinpoint where signal stops. Run short controlled tests. Gently spin the motor with power applied and check brake. You finish by replacing or repairing identified parts. Swap a worn belt, tighten fasteners to manufacturer torque, and lubricate bearings and pivots so motion is smooth. Reinstall the battery securely and reconnect any harnesses, then do a complete systems check, lights, brakes, throttle, and motor under low load. Once confident, take a controlled short ride to verify behavior and listen for odd noises. If a problem persists, isolate the recurring symptom, swap the suspect component if possible, and remeasure. This targeted troubleshooting saves time and repeats the diagnostic loop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.